Ito.
Siomay ni Kuya
Ano
Pogs.
naman?
Kwek-kwek.
Ang kwek-kwek is this.
Oo.
Ano to? Egg?
Egg,
Yeah.
well, egg, ma'am.
Tapos
Tapos
real
fishball.
egg. Real egg pala. Hindi ko.
And
Saka
kikiam.
yung kikiam yun. Try natin si Nicole ng kwek-kwek. First lady, okay, try mo. First lady of San Juan, try mo yung kwek-kwek. Tignan natin.
Gusto ko fishball.
First time to try kwek-kwek. So kwek-kwek is only
Fried egg.
quail egg inside. Oh, I thought it's like something.
Tikman nyo lahat, tigi-isa kayo.
Fried egg. You have to put vinegar. Okay,
Sige, tig-isa kayo.
Apat sa kanya.
Tikman nyo muna.
Yeah, ang linis. So, naka-stainless. Ay, sobrang clean. Ang clean actually, hello girl. Natikman mo na to ever?
All the time. I go here every day. I eat the kwek-kwek and the fishball.
Ay,
So
parang,
good talaga.
sige nga, I try. Parang hindi mo pa na-try eh. Okay, let's eat. Okay, apat ni ma'am.
No, try mo.
Promise, first time ko. Kasi sobra siyang orange. Wala bang fuchsia or sana merong Tiffany blue? Hello, Manong? Meron kayong kulay blue na kwek-kwek? Bakit wala? Kailangan.
Nagawa ko, ma'am.
Kailan? Bukas. Okay, I will come back. Gusto ko merong kulay blue.
Okay po.
Pero Manong, hindi basta-basta blue ganitong pagka-blue this one. Pakita mo nga yung bag ng small step skin. Ganito. Itong blue Finally. Yeah, it's like boiled egg.
With a lot of food coloring.
It's like really boiled egg lang na color orange. Pero why orange, Tidge? Why orange? Okay guys, comment down below why orange ang kwek-kwek, ha? Why not Tiffany blue? We'll go there na. Okay, ice cream.
Ayun pa pa-picture with you.
Ay, okay. Ay, naku, ano yan? Naging alam mo kaya masama yung mga orange na yan look up. Guys, tama ba yan? Parang mali. Orange na yung teeth ko. Yan ang gusto ko sa'yo, Len, nakaalala. Pero, ito toothpick, Ayan, wala na. Orange na daw yung teeth.
Student ng St. Louis College.
College siya sa Baguio.
Dito na ako nag-graduate.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay.
Pusin mo.
How